Do you want to know how you can log in to your Novel AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Novel AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Novel AI Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Novel AI where you can see the login interface. So go ahead and write down your login credentials such as your email address in this box over here and your password in this box below your email address. After you write down your email address and password, go ahead and click sign in. This way, you can successfully sign in to your novel.ai account. You can click on this box over here and your credentials will be remembered for the next 30 days. If you have forgotten your password, go ahead and click reset password, which you can see over here, and you can recover your password quite easily. If you don't have a novel.ai account yet, go ahead and click sign up and create yourself an account today. I hope this video about how you can log into your novel.ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.